So before I get into that, first what I'd like to show you that we strongly recommend before any application with this oil is called Nadi Shuddhi. So take a few drops of the oil. For stress, fatigue, insomnia, again the application is the same. We do Nadi Shuddhi, we apply some on the temples, some on our forehead and some on our scalp to feel calm, peaceful and to be able to sleep really well. For snoring, again we do the same thing. We do Nadi Shuddhi 7 to 10 times. We put a little oil inside our nostrils, we put it on the nose, on the temples and on our forehead and scalp, and enjoy a peaceful sleep without any snoring. And that we will come to know right from the very first application.